Hi and welcome to this simple tutorial on how you can create a table in Canva for both the Pro version and if you're a free user. So first off, I'm going to go to presentation right here. Just open up a new document. And if you already have the Pro version, all you have to do is search for table or tables in the Elements tab. And here, as you can see, you can just drag and drop this table of contents and you can write in it whatever you would like to. But how can we make a table if we do not have if we don't have access to the Pro version? Now, here's how you do it. Okay, so we want to go to shapes. We want to search for shapes in the Elements tab. So just shapes. And we want to go for the very first one. Drag and drop it. Now this is kind of big and it might be different colors, but I'm going to show you how you can edit it. So first off, we want to select the color and we want to make it transparent. Okay, now everything disappears. The second part which we need to do is click on these three lines right here, border style, and we want to add border weight to about 5 or however thick you want it to be. So 5 I think looks okay-ish for a table. Now all we have to do is resize it. Resize this, and this is going to be one graph from our table. So I think this looks, or one cell of our table. I think this looks okay. Now, what you have to do is just Ctrl+C, copy this, Ctrl+V, and paste it. If I'm going too fast, by the way, you guys can rewind a part of this video. So, for example, this, and we have two cells added, one next to each other. Now, all I'm going to do right now is hold Control, click on this, and without releasing the Control key, I'm going to click on the other cell as well, so I can select both. Wait, it doesn't work. Shift is what I needed to hold. So if you hold Shift, you can select both cells like this. Now I'm just going to Ctrl+C again, then Ctrl+V, and essentially I just created 4 cells like this, and all I did was line them up. You can repeat this process as many times as you would like if you want to create a bigger table. Okay, again, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and I can create a big table. Just give it a second. Okay, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. And now how can we write text here? Well, all we have to do is click this fourth option which says text, and we add a heading. Here you can just edit the font size, like 15. Maybe that's a little bit too small, so let's make it 20. And you drag and drop this. Right here is going to align, and you can write whatever you want. Expenses, for example, so on and so forth. So that is how you make a table in Canva if you are a free user. If you have the Pro version, all you have to do is drag and drop a table, and it's as simple as that. I hope you guys and girls learned something from this tutorial. Leave a like, show it some love, and I'll see you next time. Bye.